afternoon. Thank you for inviting me to be a part of Paris Blockchain Week. It's great to be back. Paris is a city with a long history of shaping global ideas across culture, finance, and technology. It's a natural place to have conversations about where things are going next. Paris Blockchain Week brings together people from across the industry, from builders to institutions, in a way that's hard to replicate elsewhere. So I'm very excited to participate in Paris Blockchain Week today to speak to you about the great work being done in the Tron ecosystem and the future of Tron. Blockchain is no longer experimental. It has become a core financial infrastructure. Over 3.7 million active accounts rely on Tron every day for payments, transfers, savings, and digital commerce, with average daily transfer volume of more than $21 billion. But today, what we're building now is even bigger. We are moving toward a unified financial system where TradFi, DeFi, and new technologies like AI operate together on shared infrastructure. One of the main reasons for this shift is the rise of agentic AI payments. AI is a new initiative I want to introduce. The vision is to accelerate the arrival of AGI as much as possible. The focus is on applications, specifically financial infrastructure for AI agents. AI is an infrastructure for a future where AI agents can have their own identities, manage their own funds, and make transactions on their own. In that future, AI is designed to be the core layer that connects AI to financial systems and computing resources. As AI becomes more common in everyday technology, the amount of machine-driven economic activity will grow quickly. AI systems are beginning to perform real tasks in both business and consumer environments. Over time, autonomous AI agents will make decisions, execute transactions, and interact with digital services for people. To support this activity, we need infrastructure that is fast, reliable, and globally accessible. This is where blockchain networks like Tron can play an important role. The scale and efficiency of the Tron network make it well suited to support the level of activity we expect from AI systems and AI agents. In many ways, Tron is the best solution for agentic AI payment infrastructure. This development also aligns with a larger goal: bridging crypto and traditional finance. In markets like the US, where financial infrastructure is already strong and well established, blockchain and AI can help expand that system into a more open and programmable digital environment. New infrastructures have already been launched in the Tron ecosystem. One example is AI NFT. It's an AI agent framework designed to help developers build and deploy autonomous AI agents on Tron. The system uses a layered and scalable design with clear responsibilities at each level. AI NFT already has more than 500,000 users. This shows strong demand for tools that connect AI with blockchain infrastructure. Alongside this, we are also seeing the development of Bank of AI. This is a financial infrastructure layer that allows AI agents to execute on-chain payments, identity verification, and DeFi interactions on the Tron network and BNB chain. Together, these systems show how blockchain can support new technologies like AI, while also helping connect digital asset networks with the traditional financial systems that have been built over many decades. Another important component of a unified financial system is stablecoins. Stablecoins are a bridge between TradFi systems and blockchain networks. The Tron network is a leading blockchain for stablecoin settlement. There is more than $85 billion in USDT on Tron. And according to Artemis Analytics, annual stablecoin transfer volume on Tron reached $7.9 trillion by the end of 2025. We are also seeing increasing participation from institutions. The PayPal USD stablecoin launched on Tron, and Tron recently joined the MasterCard Crypto Partner Program, reflecting a collaborative approach to scaling innovation and connecting blockchain technology with practical applications for people around the world. Infrastructure must be interconnected. Building unified financial rails requires collaboration across ecosystems and across industries. This is why collaboration remains central to the Tron ecosystem. Across the blockchain ecosystem, Tron is working with communities, builders, protocols, wallets, exchanges, and infrastructure providers to expand access and improve interoperability. Key integrations include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Base, Revolut, Polymarket, Cowsheet, Chainlink, Near, Kraken, WBTC, and many more. And across TradFi, the Tron network is integrated with Anchorage, Securitize with many more to come. And as infrastructure grows, trust and security become equally important. A unified financial system must also be a safe and responsible one. In September 2024, Tron, Tether, and TRM Labs launched the T3 Financial Crime Unit, and in 1 year, T3 FCU analyzed millions of transactions globally, monitored more than $3 billion USD in total volume, and supported the freezing of over $300 million in illicit assets across 5 continents. This milestone shows that blockchain technology has the power to protect as much as it empowers. The Financial Action Task Force made an explicit reference to T3 FCU in its 2025 reporting on public-private partnerships, describing T3 as an invaluable resource for law enforcement agencies worldwide, and singling out T3 and TRM's Beacon network as 2 of only 3 PPP models cited globally. A rare endorsement from the global AML CFT standard setter that positions T3 as a reference architecture for virtual asset enforcement. And at the core of Tron's governance is the super representative model. Any individual or organization with at least 9,999 TRX can apply to become an super representative candidate. Tron's super representative network includes some of the most established names in technology and finance, such as Google Cloud, Binance, Kraken, OKX, Nansen, Luganodes, Kiln, P2P, Abra, and more. Their involvement signals growing institutional confidence in Tron's infrastructure and the network's ability to support secure and scalable blockchain solutions across global markets. The Nakamoto coefficient is a key metric used to assess decentralization. Tron's Nakamoto coefficient is 14. This positions Tron ahead of many leading chains, including Pau Bitcoin and Pulse chains, in terms of validator, decentralization, and resistance to central control. Technology evolves quickly, but it is the people building it who ultimately shape its direction. As we look toward a future driven by AI and automation, it is equally important to support the individuals who are designing, developing, and guiding these systems. Tron DAO has expanded collaborations with blockchain clubs at Princeton, Columbia, Harvard, Yale, Oxford, Cambridge, MIT, Cornell, Imperial College London, and the UC Berkeley. Through these collaborations, we aim to give students the tools, mentorship, and opportunities needed to build the next generation of financial infrastructure. As we look ahead, agentic AI will place entirely new demands on financial infrastructure. It will require systems that are fast, cost-efficient, and already operating at global scale. Tron meets these requirements today. Deep stablecoin liquidity, high throughput, and predictable and low-cost transactions. This combination makes it an ideal infrastructure to support the high frequency, autonomous payments that AI agents will rely on. As AI agents continue to evolve from tools into economic participants, Tron is ready to provide the infrastructure needed to connect TradFi, DeFi, and the emerging agentic economy. Thank you.
Welcome to Signal Week.